Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just me, Fifi, Unique Fi, but you can call me Fi. Obviously, first you want to unpack the packaging and look at that beautiful specimen of a washing machine. Becco. Yes, you want to read the instructions, obviously, but I'm letting you know that I've never plumbed in a washing machine before, and this was easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. So you want to remove the bolts, you want to attach the pipes in the right order, they are different. I luckily have an outlet pipe inside of my cupboard, so I didn't have to change my U-bend.
What we do here is go back.
I mean, it's self-explanatory, but I've added words so you can just read how to attach it. It's so simple. I just advise you not to push the washing machine back until you've got it working, so you know you don't have to put it out again, because it is a struggle. Okay, there is a filter for the water pipe to make sure that any like bits of material and
packaging is to remove the transport
doesn't go through the water work.
Them. So
I heard that that's what makes your washing machine smell, so you want to make sure you put the filter in.
I'll continue doing this. See you in 3.
Here is go back.
Hey Nala, she's so nosy, just have to come see what I'm doing. That was a test run. I forgot to turn on close.
There you have it. Hey Nala. Hey, what is it? She's scared. A woman can plumb a washing machine. Don't need no man. Girl. I'm so pleased with myself. It didn't work at first because this pipe, the blue bit, needs to be turned. See how the red one is? I'll show you how the red one is. That's how it was, and then you have to turn it up so the water can be released. Now these old pipes, I'll give them a clean one day. Yay! We're doing the washing! Yay! What is it, Nala? What is it? What's it? What's that? Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Guys, there we have it. I just wanted to show you my cooker, which is the same brand, which I couldn't plumb myself because it has to be done by a Corgi registered. But I'm so pleased with myself to actually get matching items for the kitchen. And lastly, I will need to get a new fridge because it doesn't match. But I also got these tiles. Well, they're not tiles, they're stick-ons. And I think they're brilliant. This is how they come in a pack of 24. And yeah, that's what I've done with it. I've just started doing it, so I will finish that over this week. But I'm so pleased. Are you pleased? Are you happy? Nala, are you happy? Yeah. Oh, she's happy. So we're all happy in our new house. Thanks again for watching. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.